Hi, I wanted to show the initial sketch of the drone for the NRF-24 system that I made, and it looked as you can see in this photograph. And here's how it is now. The latest and the greatest update on the drone. First, increase the keel here, the rudder. So it is definitely in the water now, as you can see here. It's even below definitely below the pontoons, this part of the boat. Anyway, another thing is that there's a pipe going here, and the pipe is going to take the air which is coming out from the propeller and bring it inside the box. And inside the box there is a battery, so it's going to cool down the battery, and the air may come out of this pipe. So again, the idea is that the wind from the propeller will go inside the box and will exit out of here or out of here. This can be closed in case of waves. And there is an antenna in front, as you can see here. The antenna is in front, and it's all sealed with a hard glue. That's it. Tomorrow we shall see.